Hello everyone, this is Mark, and today I'm going to show you guys our new update flowering stage premium sets. And in this set, it includes all the growing accessories you need, so it's very convenient for you guys. And the original price is $39.8 US, and now in September, you only can spend $59.9 to take it home, so it's very huge discount for you. And later, I will introduce the products in this set one by one, so you can see them clearly. Okay, let's go ahead. And the first product is our hot cell 615 watt LED grow light bulb. The heating of this light, we use the highest level material. It's called AL6063, so it's the best material to provide the light heat dissipation. So yeah, you can even touch the heating. Yeah. And for the driver, we use the Invention X driver, so it's the famous brand in the world driver. And with the knob dimmer, so you can dim the light just like this. And for the diodes, we use the top beam Samsung LM301H diodes. With the Austrian diodes, it's the best efficiency diodes for the light. So it has higher PFD and very nice coverage. You can harvest 1.5 kilograms per quarter from one light. And the second, it includes a 4x8 rotan kit. As you can see here, is a 4x8 rotan and include the fan, the filter, and the 2 meters long lure. Yeah, this. And the planting mat. And growing back, and the design. And also it includes a monitoring system and a watering system. So it's very convenient for you guys because you don't need to buy any other grow accessory from our supplier. We can do one-stop solution for you guys. And from today to the 10th of September, if you buy this flowering stage premium sets, you can get our newest design content board for free. So don't miss it and hurry up, place the order as soon as possible. See you next time.